All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here, and in this video, I want to talk briefly about my new electric standing desk that I was able to get my hands on from the company FlexiSpot. Now this is the EC1 model, so this is about their middle level kind of electric standing desk. If you are interested in buying this desk after watching this video, I will put my Amazon affiliate links down in the description. You can pick up a slew of different desks from that company for your home or your office. So let's get right into it. So this one is the EC1, like I said. It's a $299 desk for this specific one that I got. So this is a 55-inch by 28-inch desk, which is almost identical to the size of my IKEA desk that I had. But this one has one major key advantage, and obviously that is being electric. So right here I have my up and down feature. Now with this being the middle level, kind of tier level one, unfortunately there is no memory settings like the step up version, but the up and down feature is exactly all I need, to be honest with you, for now. Maybe as I grow with my channel, maybe I'll probably want the little bit better one that holds a little more weight. But at the end of the day, guys, this one's gonna be just fine for anyone in my opinion. Now this one is a max of around 154 pounds as far as the load that it can hold. So I have 4 kids and one on the way, and I was actually able to get all my kids to sit on the desk and raise it up all the way to the max height. And it completely took it like a champ, and that was about 165 pounds. So even though it's rated 154, technically I've tested it. I have been able to get around 160, 165 pounds with ease. Now, the beauty about this desk, for me, especially for my YouTube channel, is I do all my unboxing videos on this desk, or my desk that was here and now this one. And when I'm standing up at the normal height of 28 inches of where it sits, when I'm standing, guys, I'm doing my unboxing videos like this. I'm hunkered over a little bit. I'm looking at my camera because I usually have my, little rigged up overhead setup that I do, and I'm bent over. And over time, an amount of videos that I load or upload, my back's been starting to hurt a little bit. Now, it's not the end of the world by any means, but it is starting to kind of notice from standing here, it's a pain in the butt. So the feature that I love, obviously, is the standing feature where I can raise it up. Now this desk will go all the way up to almost 48 inches, and it goes up an inch a second as you're holding up the up button and an inch a second down, but it's fairly quiet. So what I'm gonna do is raise it up real quick. So I got everything here, kind of already tried to do my hiding my wires under the desk. So you might see a few of them, but they're all kind of taped up. So I tried to make it as clean and, seamless as looking as possible. But let's go ahead and raise it up as to the max height, which is going to be about right here at my head at 48 inches roughly. So let's go ahead and do the up. And as you can hear, it does have a sound, but it's not very loud, to be honest with you, at all. It's very quiet considering, it's raising my whole entire desk here. So literally it's going all the way up. Now you have all my wires here that I just bought, like a, cable management system on Amazon for like 15 bucks. I'll put it down in the description. And it really did a good job of maintaining my wires. So when the desk is down, really all you're seeing are the main 2 cables, which is this main one for the desk, the desk wires over here actually feeding through. And this is the main one for the multiple outlet power adapter that I put up here that I have everything plugged into. But down here we have these 2 shields that are blocking the rod and the spindle part here that sets up, which, by the way, the setup was extremely easy. Like, I suck at putting stuff together, which is kind of funny that I had an IKEA desk and most of my stuff is from IKEA. But with this setup, guys, the instructions are super simple, and it literally took me probably about 30 minutes to put everything together. And when it comes down to it, it came in 2 separate boxes, one for the legs and then one for the desktop. So when it came in the mail, the legs came first, They came about 3 days or so after I ordered it. And then the top came about 5 days after I ordered it. And like I said, I put it together, have the white black Stormtrooper look. I really like this look. They have other sizes that you can pick from. So for example, there's even a bigger one that's like 60 something by 30. But that was like a little bit more, but they didn't have the white and black combo. It was more of like the mahogany or the bamboo style, I believe. And I wanted to stick with white. And it goes all the way down. I believe they have even a 42-inch in length desk, but that was just going to be too small for me. Really, the sweet spot would have been the 60-inch one for me personally, but this one's going to do just fine. But there you have it, guys. There is one of my favorite desks that I've ever owned, to be honest with you. I've never personally owned an electric desk, but I've used plenty of electric desks for work at like my jobs. And this one's easy, guys, especially for someone like me who's got my little corner in my bedroom for my YouTube channel. I really, really have enjoyed this desk for the last few weeks. But I wanted to share it with y'all so you can kind of see what you can get out of a $300 investment if you are looking to get a standing desk. So hit that like button if you like this video. If you loved it, please subscribe, guys. I really appreciate it if y'all do. I check my analytics all the time, and a lot of the people that are watching my videos are, it's like 2% or 3% are actually watching my videos that are subscribed. So if you are interested in more of my videos, I do a lot of case reviews, I do a lot of phone review stuff, headphones, etc., etc. Do hit that subscribe button, guys, and keep on coming back for more. So be safe, God bless. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.